Hello. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today and I hope you are having a fantastic day. So right now we're about to talk the current state of the 2021 housing market. So in today's video, you're going to get the latest updates on this super hot, super insane housing market. So what exactly are we seeing? What are people concerned about? What are the biggest questions and what should you know when it comes to this housing market? So according to the several and the recent reports out there, we're seeing that rents are going through the roof across the country. So this is insane. Rents are going up in double digits and this is driving everyone nuts. So right now, this is not something that renters are enjoying because most of the people in the nation are renting and rents are going through the roof. But that's not just the case. If you are on the lending side, here's the deal. Mortgage refinance fee has been dropped by regulators. So this may be great news for people who are looking to refi their properties. So this is great for borrowers. If you are looking to refi, this is great news for you. Now, here's the other thing that we're seeing in this insane housing market. When it comes to the bidding wars, the housing competition, great news for buyers. Home competition. So the bidding war, you know how you put in an offer and you have 20 other offers within 5 hours of your offer or within the first 2 hours of your offer, offering over asking price, and just that bidding war, everyone going neck to neck on the same property. The great news is this is beginning to ease up. So right now, according to reports from Redfin, the home buyer competition has eased or is easing up in June as more homes are hitting the market. But before we jump into the very details of these reports, I just want to say, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing now to join this amazing community to stay informed on the latest helpful and useful information for your financial wellness and success. And one more thing, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with other people to help them get this information quicker. People deserve to know exactly what is going on right now in this housing market. So let's dive into this report right here. So according to Realtor.com, the June rental data is one that shocked a lot of people, including myself included. So here's the deal. U.S. rental prices have reached the highest point in 2 years. I repeat that, the highest point in 2 years. So according to this report, right, the 50 largest metros, you have in the 50 largest metros, meaning places, cities, and surrounding towns and stuff. So you do have the median rent of $1,575, which is up 8.1% year over year. And this translates to additional $118 per month for renters. So this is nuts. We're seeing great increase right now. And according to this report, compared to June of 2019, the year before the pandemic, we did see a rent increase by $149, which is 10.4%. That's a lot faster than people's income. You know what I'm saying? That, like, you think about it, the average worker gets like a 3 to 5% raise every year, but rents are outpacing income. Now, this screams affordability issues. We've been so focused on the buyers and the sellers, but what about the renters? This is what we're seeing right now in this housing market. And it's not just that. Think about this, right? The national rents are continuing to surge past the pre-pandemic levels. So it's not just that we're seeing an increase, but this is way faster than what we saw pre-pandemic. And this is the thing that really gets a lot of people worked up, right? So you can see this chart right here from Realtor.com. You can see how quick or how steep this is. This is nuts. This shows you the median rent versus the rent month over month increase, right? So you can just see how the change is happening. You have a flat line here, pretty much up and down, and then this spike. So this is nuts, and I can't believe that this is what we're going to be living with and how long we're going to live with this. Now, let me know your thoughts about this rental market in the comment section below. So here's something that's very interesting too, and this is according to reports from CBS when it comes to the rents. So CBS News reported that people are now bidding against themselves when it comes to renting a place. So according to this, you have a landlord who put his property on the market and people are offering to pay over the listed price of the apartment. So people offered to pay more, $50 more than the place was actually listed to rent for. And you even have people, you have some prospective tenants who are offering to pay a year's rent. They want to pay 1 year's rent in full. I mean, how is the average person supposed to survive this rental market right now? And it is getting hot in so many metros. Let me know how the rental market is in your area. If you think it's super hot, let us know where your city, and let us know what you think about that, the rental market in your city. So let's talk about the buyers, for buyers, sellers, and those who are looking to refi. So according to CNBC, the mortgage refinance fee has been dropped by the regulators. So this is great news, like I mentioned earlier, for borrowers. And what exactly are we talking about here? So lenders were charging 50 basis point fee. So they were charging this fee for all loans that were delivered basically during the refinance process. So if you try to refi your home during the pandemic, you did have a 50 basis point fee. So this was designed to cover losses projected as a result of the pandemic. But right now, this is being dropped. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are dropping the fee on mortgage refinancing. And this means that if you as a borrower who is looking to refi your home, if you are a homeowner looking to refi your home, chances are that you are going to be getting to be paying less in terms of the closing cost for your mortgage refinance. So this is what we're seeing right now. And then when it comes down to the actual home buyer phase of things, if you are looking to buy your home right now, great news is the competition is less. So let's talk about the data on the bidding war. So according to this report from Redfin, the bidding war rate remains higher than it was a year ago. So it's still high. Don't get it twisted. It's not all the way there yet, right? It's not all the way calm and things are good and back to pre-pandemic levels. No, the bidding war is still there. But here's the deal. It has dropped to 65% from its peak. Remember when you still had to write all these love letters to the home sellers, and yet no one even budged at your offer. So it looks like things are beginning to ease up, and I want to know how things are going in your market. If you've been putting in offers on homes, let us know in the comment section below. So 65% drop from the peak. That's pretty significant, and that's what we're seeing right now. This is the peak we saw earlier this year. So according to this report, in June, 65% of home offers written by Redfin agents face competition. Now, this is down from a revised rate of 72.1%. So the housing market is still fierce, but as we're beginning to see more listings come on the market, more homes come on the market, we're starting to see some type of, access or opportunities for people who are looking to buy. So let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. So other trends we're seeing right now in the housing market includes the median listing price, which has gone up by 10.3%. So prices are still going up. Prices are not coming down yet. Most people think we're going to see a decline in prices this summer. But right now, according to the reports we're seeing, the trend right now shows that the median listing price, that's in the middle, when you take all the data, all the listing prices across the country, coming from the middle, we do have a 10.3% price increase. And new listings, which is a measure of sellers putting homes for sale, was up 5%. So again, after the 4th of July, we did see 5% increase in new homes hitting the market. So this is a great sign, and this is helping ease that competition or ease that bidding war that we've been talking about. And then the total active inventory pay attention to this one. The total active inventory is still down, but this is just 35% from this time last year. So we're still having a supply shortage. So there's still supply shortage, not enough inventory to meet the demand. So 35% down from last year. Then time on the market, how many days does a listed property stay on the market? It sits on the market right now for 23 days. So basically, it sits on the market for 37 days. According to this report, time on the market was again 23 days faster than last year. So 23 days faster than last year. So that's what we're seeing right now when it comes to this housing market. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And again, if you've gained some insights from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button now and give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.